With the rise of AI, more and more tools have been made available to help writers make interesting content with little work. These tools use complex algorithms and natural language processing to make high-quality material that sounds like it was written by a person. There are AI writing tools for everything from advertising to blog posts, emails to social media updates. In this video, we'll look at some of the best AI writing tools you can use right now, as well as how they can help you speed up your writing process and create content that your audience will love. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's dive into the video. Number 6. ANYWORD. ANYWORD lets you make ads, emails, landing pages, and other types of content with copy that is based on data. This includes being able to make material for popular advertising platforms like Facebook, Google AdWords, LinkedIn ads, and Twitter ads. ANYWORD is different from other tools on the market because it can give users useful insights and predictions. This gives creative marketers the chance to add data to their toolbox, which helps them figure out which parts of their message are getting through to their target audience. Number 5. Neural Text. Neural Text is an innovative tool that uses AI to offer a complete solution for creating content, from coming up with ideas to putting them into action. This tool has many features, such as an AI author, an SEO content tool, and a tool for researching keywords. The AI copywriting tools on Neural Text are made to help people come up with good copy for their marketing efforts. With more than 50 customizable templates, like those for Facebook ads, themes, and blog sections, users can make dozens of different versions in a matter of seconds. Also, the platform's SEO content tools let users create well-researched content by analyzing data from pages that already rank on Google. Just type in a keyword, and the tool will show you the top 20 Google search results. It will also give you suggestions for keywords to use, what to write about, what questions to answer, and data. This saves users hours by making it easy for them to make a plan and a content brief for their writers. Number 4. WRITESONIC. If you want to make great website content and marketing texts, you might want to use the AI-powered content creation technology from WRITESONIC. This tool has an automatic way to make blog posts, marketing headlines, and product descriptions, among other types of content. Also, it lets you make various ads for Google and Facebook in a matter of seconds. One of the best things about WRITESONIC is that it can create unique content on a wide range of subjects in a matter of seconds. The tool also lets you rephrase and expand on current content to come up with new ways of looking at things. WRITESONIC is very flexible and can make content for a wide range of forms, such as blog posts, ads, landing pages, product descriptions, and more. Number 3. Writer. Writer is an AI-powered writing tool that is flexible and easy to use. It has a lot of features that marketers and writers can use, like copywriting frameworks, blog writing templates, and use cases for writing product descriptions. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of marketing needs. Writer's AI technology lets users quickly and easily create high-quality content in over 30 languages for a wide range of applications and businesses, such as marketing and e-commerce. Even people who have never written or used AI to write before can easily use Writer's long-form editor and dark mode to start making interesting content. The platform also has a Chrome extension that integrates with famous apps like the WordPress editor and emails, bringing the power of AI to users' favorite tools. Number 2. WORDTUNE. WORDTUNE is an AI writing program that is very advanced and stands out on the market because it can understand the meaning and context of the words you give it. WORDTUNE uses neural net-based NLP technology to help users create more interesting and compelling content. The Smart Paste feature of the software lets you change and redo text while making it easier to read. Also, users have full control over the length and style of each line. This makes it a very flexible tool. WORDTUNE is cloud-based and works with social media platforms. This makes it easy to view and use from anywhere. Number 1. ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 is the most advanced AI writing tool, with features for creating material and communicating that can't be found anywhere else. With the help of the GPT 3.5 architecture, it can write high-quality, coherent, and convincing content in many different fields. This makes it an essential tool for businesses, researchers, and creatives. The model was trained on a huge amount of different text data, so it can make a language that sounds human and is accurate informative, and interesting. It also has an easy-to-use interface and can understand natural language, so users can talk to it easily. This makes creating material faster and more fun. I guess that's all for today's video. Which of these AI tools do you use for creating your content? Tell us in the comments section now. Make sure to like the video and follow us for more such amazing videos.